Good evening to all. Good evening to the respected members and the dais. First item of the evening, that is prize distribution by Shri L. Venkatram Reddy and read by Srimati Sangeeta. I request her to read out the list of the prize distributors so that we can take up the issue.
Good evening, everybody. Intramural competitions, balloon game, first prize, P. Rajkumar, son of Nagaraju, Fort Avon. Please come on, children. Give them a big hand, children. Second prize, B. Rajkumar, son of Rajendra, Fort Avon. LKG boys running, Farha Hussain, son of MD Akhtar. Second prize, Rihan Khan, son of Rashid Khan. K. Manoj, third prize, son of Mohan Roy. LKG girls running, A. Shriya, daughter of A. Kiran Kumar. B. Apurva, daughter of B. Ramesh. Ritvika, daughter of S. Ramesh. LKG boys frog jump, M. Aditya Karthik, son of M. Hari Babu. Second prize, Rihan Khan, son of Rashid Khan. Third prize, K. Manils, son of Sudhakar. LKG girls frog jump, L. Apurva, daughter of L. Satyam. G. Tejana Reddy, daughter of Sanjeevan Reddy. B. Spruti Reddy, daughter of B. Venkat Reddy. UKG boys running, K. S. V. Chandravesh, son of K. S. Divakar. Chandravesh. S. Arun, son of S. Dayanand. J. Sai Charan, son of Gangadhar. UKG girls running, A. Vani, daughter of Vivekanand. B. Pooja, daughter of B. Mohan. B. Vishita, daughter of B. Vijay Kumar. UKG boys frog jump, KSV Chandravesh, son of KS Divakar, first prize. S. Arun, son of S. Dayanand, second prize. N. Nitish Kumar, third prize, son of N. Gangadhar. UKG girls frog jump, first prize, B. Pooja, daughter of B. Mohan. Second prize, D. Ruchita, daughter of D. Raja Gaud. Third prize, Mayumuna Hazrami, daughter of Asad Hazrami. Now sports for primary, first class boys running, K. Manish Reddy, son of A. Ashok Reddy. Second prize, MD Shohab, son of Muhammad Yusuf. Third prize, P. Jayan, son of P. Jeevan. First class girls running, A. Preeti, first prize, daughter of A. Venu. Second prize, M. Bhavita Nagashuresh Reddy. Third prize, G. Tanusha, daughter of Chandrasekhar Reddy. First class boys frog jump, first prize, K. Karthik Reddy, son of K. Gangaram Reddy. Second prize, S. Manish Reddy, son of S. Subhash Reddy. Third prize, K. Manish Reddy, son of K. Ashok Reddy. First class girls frog jump. First prize M. Bhavita, daughter of Naga Suresh Reddy. Second prize K. Agneja, daughter of Ganga Reddy. Third prize Nadia Sultana, daughter of Nadeem. Second class boys running. First prize P. Vishal, son of P. Shankar. Second prize M. Tarun, son of M. Damodar. Third prize K. Ankit Reddy, son of Bhaja Reddy. Second class girls running. First prize D. Lavanya, daughter of D. Mohan Rao. Second prize Afia Fatima, daughter of Shafidul Khan. Third prize S. Akhila, daughter of S. Mohan. Second class boys frog jump. First prize P. Vishal, son of P. Shankar. Second prize A. Rahul, son of A. Gangadhar. Third prize B. Praveen Kumar, son of Lingam Sa. Second class girls frog jump. First prize D. Lavanya, daughter of Mohan Rao. Second prize G. Gangotri, daughter of G. Kishan. Third prize Afia Fatima, daughter of Shapillah Khan. Third class boys running. First prize B. Akshay Kumar, son of B. Jalendar. Second prize P. Kaushik Reddy, son of P. Narsimha Reddy. Third prize L. Anvesh Reddy, son of Mahipal. Third class girls running. G. Sweetie Reddy, daughter of G. Vidyasagar Reddy. Second prize R. Pratika Reddy, daughter of R. Raghuram Reddy. Third prize N. Nishita, daughter of N. Prabhakar Reddy. Third class boys frog jump. M. Vishal, son of M. Vaikuntham. Second prize T. Mauryavardhan, son of T. Lakshman. Third prize S. Akhil Gaud, son of S. Srinivas Gaud. Third class girls frog jump. G. Navyasri, daughter of G. Hanumantrao. Second prize A. Aarti, daughter of A. Anand. Third prize N. Nishita, daughter of N. Prabhakar Reddy. Fourth class boys running. First prize V. Sai Vikas, son of V. Ramesh. Second prize B. Ashish, son of B. Jalandhar. Third prize J. Kranti, son of J. Kanthaya. Fourth class girls running. First prize P. Mamata, daughter of P. Muttanna. Second prize T. Srija, daughter of T. Gangadhar. Third prize O. Shirisha, daughter of O. Venkat Ratnam. Fourth class boys spoon and marble race. First prize S. Rahul, son of S. Rajaram. Second prize L. Vishwesh Kumar, son of L. Jagadishwar. Third prize V. Sai Vikas, son of V. Ramesh. Fourth class girls skipping. First prize P. Mamata, daughter of P. Muttanna. Second prize K. Rajakumari, daughter of K. Ramesh. Third prize G. Rachana, daughter of G. Ramakant. Fifth class boys running. First prize Muhammad Ali Muddin, son of Kutubuddin. Second prize Muhammad Haji, son of Muhammad Ajiz. Third prize M. Pranay Kumar, son of M. Satyanarayana. Fifth class girls running. First prize B. Vidyadika, daughter of B. Amarnath. Second prize N. Pravalika, daughter of N. Buchanna. Third prize P. Harshita, daughter of P. Narsimha Reddy. Fifth class boys spoon and marble race. First prize M. Pranay Kumar, son of M. Satyanarayana. Second prize M. Vinay, son of M. Srinivasa. Third prize P. Shivakumar Gaud, son of P. Rajeshwar Gaud. Fifth class girls skipping M. Lasya, daughter of M. Rama Rao. M. Pratyusha, daughter of M. Kondareddy, second prize. Third prize R. Alekya, daughter of R. Bhumeshwar. Thank you.
Game for juniors and sub-juniors, read by Srimati Swapna, given by Raj Reddy Garu.
Good evening, everybody. I'm very happy to announce the prizes for games of juniors. Firstly, volleyball for girls. Winners Pankaj team. M. Maunika, daughter of M. Vasanta, 10th A2, the captain. E. Suma, daughter of E. Surender, 9th A1, vice captain. A. Divya, K. Akila, K. Navya, B. Pranaya, Soni Agarwal. Runners, Kundan team, P. Kirti, 10th A2 captain, CH Kirtana, 9th A1 vice captain, N. Nikita, daughter of N. Pavan Reddy, 10th A1, P. Susmita, 10th A2, K. Priyanka, 9th A3, B. Suchitra, 10th A2, CH Himabindu, 9th A3. Volleyball for boys. Winners Kundan team. M.A. Rahim, captain of 10th A1. M.D. Azharuddin, vice captain. A. Ganesh, 10th A1. T. Srikanth, 9th A1. M. Preetham, 10th A2. A. Pranay, 10th A2. G. Suman, 9th A3. Runners, Champak team. S. Nagesh, 10th A1, captain. S. Ramesh, 9th A2, vice captain. B. Madan, 10th A2. K. Prem, 9th A1. N. Yashwant, 9th A1. B. Sudhir, 9th A2. R. Ganga Praveen, 9th A3. Kabaddi for girls. Winners Pushpak team. P. Anusha, daughter of P. Ramulu, 10th A1, captain. K. Manaswini, 9th A1, vice captain. A. Mamata, 10th A2. A. Arunya, 9th A1. Nisha Vaidya, 9th A2. C. Ramya, 9th A3. A. Lata, 10th A2. R. Deepthi, 9th A1. Runners, Pankaj team. M. Monica, 10th A2, captain. E. Suma, 9th A1, vice captain. A. Divya, 9th A3. K. Akila, 9th A1. K. Navya, 9th A1. J. Jansi, 9th A1. Shruti, 10th A3. A. Sureshma, 9th A1. Kabaddi for boys. Winners Pankaj team. B. Sunil, 10th A3, captain. Mohammad Shabazz, 9th A3, vice captain. MD Zubair Khan 9th A2, G Manish 9th A2, C Anvesh 10th A3, D Roshan 10th A3, S Pranay 9th A2, K Vikram Reddy 9th A3. Runners, Pushpak team, M Hemant Reddy 10th A1 captain, S Nareshwar 9th A3 vice captain, N Ajay 9th A3, M Vishwesh 10th A1, A Ravi 9th A2, G Pranay 9th A3, A Raju 9th A2, A Dinesh 9th A2. Kho for girls, winners Kundan team, P Kirti 10th A2 captain, CH Kirtana 9th A1 vice captain, N Nikita 10th A1, G Nikita 10th A2, B Rachana 10th A1, B Suchitra 10th A2, P Susmita 10th A2, K Priyanka 9th A3, G Sweya 9th A1, I Swapnika 10th A1. Runners, Pushpak team, P Anusha 10th A1 captain, K Manaswini 9th A1 vice captain, P Anu 10th A1, Nisha Vaidya 10th A1, A Arunya 9th A1, M Shravya 10th A1, B Divya 10th A1, K Anupriya 10th A1, Y Bandhavya 10th A2, K Alekya 10th A1. Kho for junior boys, winners Champak team. S Nageshwar 10th A1 captain, S Ramesh 9th A2 vice captain, K Prem 9th A1, B Dilip 10th A3, J Jagan 10th A2, B Madan 10th A2, Uday Kumar 10th A3, N Yashwant 9th A1, A Manoj 9th A2, M Sindhu Tej 10th A2. Runners, Pushpak team, M Hemant Reddy 10th A1 captain, S Nareshwar 9th A3 vice captain, L Shashank Reddy 9th A1, P Vinay 9th A3, B Vinay 10th A3, A Ravi 9th A3, A Ajay 9th A3, S Pranay 9th A3, P Vishrut 10th A1, C Vijay 10th A3. Now I announce the prizes for sub-juniors. Volleyball for girls, winners Pushpak team, S Harshini, daughter of S Devaya, 8th A2 captain, B Shreya Rani, 7th A3 vice captain, S Sumalika, 5th A2, G Amulya, 7th A1, B Agneja, 7th A2, T Sucheta, 8th A2, D Umarani, 8th A3. Runners, Champak team, T Pravalika, 8th A2 captain, G Vijay Kumari, 7th A3 vice captain, K Navina, 8th A1, B Navina, 7th A1, A Rachana, 6th A1, T Shirisha, 7th A1, M Rakshita, 7th A3. Volleyball for boys, winners Kundan team, S Vinay Kumar 8th A3 captain, O Pratap 7th A2 vice captain, B Anush Kumar 7th A3, V Krishna Gaud 8th A3, Umair Abdullah 8th A3, Isran Ahmed 8th A2, M Srinath 7th A1. Runners, Pankaj team, K. Sunil Kumar, 8th A1 Captain. T. Vijay Kumar, 8th A1 Vice Captain. S. Sairaj Gaud, 8th A1. C. H. Pranvesh, 7th A2. C. Rakesh, 7th A2. and Pavan Raj, 7th A3. A. Srikanth, 7th A2. Kabaddi for girls. Winners Champak team. T. Pravalika, 8th A2, the captain. G. Vijay Kumari, 7th A3, vice captain. K. Navina, 8th A1. B. Navina, 7th A1. A. Rachana, 6th A1. T. Shirisha, 7th A1. S. Amulya, 7th A4. B. Nikita, 6th A3. Runners, Kundan team. M. Srijani, 8th A1, the captain. B. Rupa, 7th A1, vice captain. G. Spandana, 8th A2. T. Divya, 8th A2. S. Pragna, 6th A3. C. H. Kirti, 6th A3. G. Adilakshmi, 6th A4. E. Sudha, 7th A3. Now, Kabaddi for boys. Winners Champak team. K. Sai Bharadwaj, 8th A1 captain. T. Nitin, 7th A2 vice captain. K. Sai Kumar, 8th A2. P. Hemant Kumar, 8th A1. MD Asim Ali, 8th A2. MC Preetham, 8th A1. N. Pranit Raj, 8th A1. D. Siddhi Vinayak, 6th A3. Runners, Pankaj team. K. Sunil Kumar, 8th A1, the captain. T. Vijay, 9th A3, vice captain. A. Sairaj Gaud, 8th A1. N. Pavan Raj, 7th A2. C. H. Trilokeshwar, 8th A1. C. Rakesh, 8th A2. C. H. Anvesh, 7th A2. K. Harish, 7th A2. Now, Kho for girls. Winners, Pushpak team. S. Harshini, 8th A2, captain. S. Sumalika, 5th A2, vice captain. T. Suchitra, 8th A2. G. Soumya, 8th A3. G. Amulya, 7th A1. B. Agneja, 7th A2. A. Susmita, 8th A2. U. Lavanya, 8th A2. S. Neha, 7th A1. T. Jahnavi, 6th A1. Runners, Champak team. T. Pravalika, 8th A2, the captain. K. Navina, 8th A1, vice captain. T. Shirisha, 7th A1. K. L. Kavya, 7th A1. B. Navina, 7th A1. S. Amulya, 7th A4. P. Anusha, 8th A2. P. Kavita, 8th A3. B. Srija, 8th A2. S. Lahari, 7th A1. Kho for sub-junior boys. Winners, Pushpak team. A. Rakesh, 8th A3 captain. G. Karthik, 7th A2 vice captain. M. Suresh, 8th A2. T. Deepak, 7th A2. C. H. Vikil, 8th A3. J. Manish, 6th A4. N. Pranish, 7th A1. P. Sravant, 8th A1. G. Vivek, 8th A2. S. Trishul, 5th A3. Runners, Champak team. K. Sai Bharadwaj, 8th A1, the captain. T. Nitin, 7th A2, vice captain. K. Sri Nitin, 8th A1. P. Hemant Kumar, 8th A1. N. Praneeth, 8th A1. MC Preetham, 8th A1. K. Sai Kumar, 8th A2. MD Asim Malik, 8th A2. V. Shashank, 6th A1. M. Arun Babu, 6th A1. Thank you, one and all.
Next program, students selected for state level games and sports. Nationals led by Ganga Mohan. Prize distribution by L. Venkatram Reddy. Prizes will be distributed by Virendra Nath Garu.
Good evening, everybody. I am here to announce the list of sports for juniors and sub-juniors. So I request Sri Yanamuri Virendranath Garu to give away the prizes. $100 meters for junior boys. First place goes to MD Shehbaz, son of MD Shabir, 98 to Pankaj. Second place goes to M.A. Rahim, son of M.A. Zabar, 10th A1 Kundan. And third place goes to B. Sunil Kumar, son of B. Gangaram, 10th A3 Pankaj. For 200 meters boys, M.A. Rahim, first place, son of M.A. Zabar, 10th A1 Kundan. Second place goes to B. Madan, son of B. Mohan, 10th A2 Champak. And third place goes to B. Dilip Kumar, son of Pedulu, 10th A2 Champak. $1,500 meters for junior boys, MD Sheba first place, son of MD Shabir, 9th A2 Pankaj. Second place goes to B. Dilip Kumar, son of Pedulu, 10th A2 Champak. And third place goes to Syed Azharuddin, son of Syed Yusuf Ali, 9th A3 Kundan. Long jump for junior boys, first place goes to MD Shehbaz, son of MD Shabir, 9th A2 Pankaj. And second place goes to Syed Azharuddin, son of Syed Yusuf Ali, 9th A3 Kundan. And third place goes to B. Dilip Kumar, son of Pedulu, 10th A2 Champak. High jump for junior boys, first place goes to B. Sunil Kumar, son of B. Gangaram, 10th A3 Pankaj. And second place goes to S. Nareshwar, son of S. Lakshman, 9th A3 Pushpak. And third place goes to Zubair Khan, son of Shafiuddin Khan, 9th A2 Pankaj. Short put for junior boys, first place goes to B. Sunil Kumar, son of B. Gangaram, 10th A3 Pankaj. And second place goes to MD Shehbaz, son of MD Shabir, 9th A2 Pankaj. Third place goes to B. Ajay Kumar, son of B. Arjun, 9th A2 Pushpak. Discus throw for junior boys, first place goes to B. Sunil Kumar, son of B. Gangaram, 10th A3 Pankaj. Second place goes to M.A. Rahim, son of M.A. Zabar, 10th A1 Kundan. Third place goes to Syed Azharuddin, son of Syed Yusuf Ali, 9th A3 Kundan. Javelin throw for junior boys, first place goes to B. Sunil Kumar, son of B. Gangaram, 10th A3 Pankaj. And second place goes to MD Shehbaz, son of MD Shabir, 9th A2 Pankaj. Third place goes to M. Viresh Kumar, son of M. Satyanarayana, 10th A1 Pushpak. Now 100 meters running for junior girls. First place goes to V. Nisha, daughter of V. Jagdishwar, 9th A2 Pushpak. Second place goes to E. Suma, daughter of E. Surender, 9th A1 Pankaj. Third place goes to P. Anusha, daughter of P. Ramulu, 10th A1 Pushpak. (200-meter running for junior girls). E. Suma, daughter of E. Surender, 9th A1 Pankaj, got first place. And second place V. Nisha, daughter of V. Jagdishwar, 9th A2 Pushpak. And third place P. Shushmita, daughter of P. Satya Reddy, 9th A2 Kundan. 800 meters running for junior girls. First place goes to K. Akila, daughter of K. Mohan Reddy, 9th A1 Pankaj. And second place goes to A. Arunya, daughter of A.C. Ganga Reddy, 10th A1 Pushpak. And third place goes to C.H. Kirtana, daughter of C.H. Kishaya, 9th A3 Kundan. Long jump for junior girls. First place goes to K. Akila, daughter of K. Mohan Reddy, 9th A1 Pankaj. Second place goes to E. Suma, daughter of E. Surender, 9th A1 Pankaj. And third place goes to A. Soni, daughter of A. Dilip, 9th A1 Champak. Junior girls for high jump. First place goes to P. Anusha, daughter of P. Ramulu, 10th A1 Pushpak. Second place goes to E. Suma, daughter of E. Surender, 9th A1 Pankaj. And third place goes to A. Arunya, daughter of A.C. Ganga Reddy, 10th A1 Pushpak. Shot put for girls. First place goes to E. Suma, daughter of E. Surender, 9th A1 Pankaj. And second place goes to K. Preeti, daughter of K. Rajendra Prasad, 10th A1 Champak. And third place goes to P. Anusha, daughter of P. Ramulu, 10th A1 Pushpak. A discus throw for girls. First place goes to A. Divya, daughter of Chinna Reddy, 9th A3 Pankaj. Second place goes to P. Anusha, daughter of P. Ramulu, 10th A1 Pushpak. And third place goes to M. Maunika, daughter of M. Vasanta, 10th A2 Pankaj. Javelin throw for junior girls. First place goes to K. Preeti, daughter of K. Rajendra Prasad, 10th A1 Champak. And second place goes to V. Nisha, daughter of V. Jagdishwar, 9th A2 Pushpak. And third place goes to K. Priyanka, daughter of K. Ganga Narayana, 9th A3 Kundan. Now 100-meter running for sub-junior boys. First place goes to A. Sairaj, son of Jagdishwar Gaud, 8th A1 Pankaj. Second place goes to N. Suresh, son of N. Subbaratnam, 8th A2 Pushpak. And third place goes to K. Sunil, son of K. Chinnamut, 7th A1 Pankaj. (200 meters running for sub-junior boys. First place goes to N. Praneeth, son of N. Bhaskar Raj, 8th A1 Champak. Second place goes to A. Sai Raj, son of Jagdishwar Gaud, 8th A1 Pankaj. And third place goes to K. Sunil, son of Chinna Mutana, 8th A1 Pankaj. (800-meter running for sub-junior boys. First place goes to C.H. Vikil, son of C.H. Venkana, 8th A3 Pushpak. And second place goes to N. Praneeth, son of N. Bhaskar Raj, 8th A1 Champak. And third place goes to K. Sunil. Long jump for sub-junior boys. First place goes to S. Vinay, son of Satyanarayana, 7th A3 Kundan. Second place goes to O. Pratap, son of O. Ganesh, 7th A2 Kundan. And third place goes to K. Sai Bharadwaj, son of K. Srinivas, 8th A1 Champak. High jump for sub-junior boys. First place goes to C. Rakesh, son of Damodar, 7th A3 Pankaj. Second place goes to Umer, son of Abdullah Balal, 8th A3 Kundan. And third place goes to MD Israr, son of MD Yusuf, 8th A2 Kundan. Shot put for sub-junior boys. First place goes to A. Rakesh, son of A. Gangadhar, 8th A3 Pushpak. And second place goes to K. Sunil, son of K. Chinnamutana, 8th A1 Pankaj. And third place goes to O. Pratap, son of O. Ganesh, 7th A2 Kundan. And discus throw for sub-junior boys. First place goes to A. Rakesh, son of A. Gangadhar, 8th A3 Pushpak. Second place goes to T. Vinay, son of T. Mohan, 7th A2 Pankaj. Third place goes to N. Pranish, son of N. Gangadhar, 7th A1 Pushpak. At javelin for sub-junior boys, first place goes to N. Pranish, son of N. Gangadhar, 7th A1 Pushpak. And second place goes to C. Preetham, son of MC Odana, 8th A1 Champak. And third place goes to O. Pratap, son of O. Ganesh, 7th A2 Kundan. And I like to announce sub-junior girls. Hundred meters first place, S. Sarshini, daughter of S. Devaya, 8th A2 Pushpak. Second place goes to T. Divya, daughter of T. Subhash Reddy, 8th A2 Kundan. Third place goes to S. Sumalika, daughter of Satyanarayana, 5th A2 Pushpak. 200 meters running for sub-junior girls. First place goes to S. Sarshini, daughter of Devaya, 8th A2 Pushpak. And second place goes to S. Sumalika, daughter of Satyanarayana, 5th A2 Pushpak. And third place goes to T. Divya, daughter of T. Subhash Reddy, 8th A2 Kundan. And 800 meters running for sub-junior girls. First place goes to L. Alekia, L. Kavya, daughter of L. Madhusudan Reddy, 7th A1 Champak. And second place goes to K. Navina, daughter of K. Ramesh Reddy, 8th A1 Champak. And third place goes to J. Pratyusha, daughter of J. Mohan Rao, 7th A2 Pushpak. And long jump for sub-junior girls. First place goes to G. Adilakshmi, daughter of Maladri, 6th A4 Kundan. And second place goes to G. Vijay Kumari, daughter of Kishtaya, 7th A3 Champak. And third place goes to G. Spandana, daughter of G. Ashok, 8th A2 Kundan. And high jump for sub-junior girls. First place goes to S. Amulya, daughter of S. Ravi Kumar, 7th A4 Champak. And second place goes to G. Amulya, daughter of G. Upendra Reddy, 7th A1 Pushpak. And third place goes to J. Pratyusha, daughter of J. Mohan Rao, 7th A2 Pushpak. And shot put for sub-junior girls. First place goes to S. Sarshini, daughter of S. Devaya, 8th A2 Pushpak. And second place goes to T. Pravalika, daughter of T. Bhaskar, 8th A2 Champak. And third place goes to S. Somya, daughter of G. Senu, 8th A3 Pankaj. And discus throw for sub-junior girls. First place goes to S. Sarshini, daughter of S. Devaya, 8th A2 Pushpak. And second place goes to S. Amulya, daughter of S. Ravi Kumar, 7th A4 Champak. And third place goes to G. Somya, daughter of G. Senu, 8th A3 Pankaj. Javelin for sub-junior girls. First place goes to S. Harshini, daughter of Devaya, 8th A2 Pushpak. Second place goes to G. Adilakshmi, daughter of Maladri, 6th A4 Kundan. And third place goes to S. Sumalika, daughter of Satyanarayana, 5th A2 Pushpak. And I like to announce that individual athletic champions for 2005 and 2006. For junior boy, MD Shehbaz, son of MD Shabir, 9th A2 Pankaj. For sub-junior boy, A. Rakesh, son of A. Gangadhar, 8th A1 Pushpak. And for junior girl, E. Suma, daughter of E. Surender, 9th A1 Pankaj. And for sub-junior girl, S. Arshini, daughter of S. Devaya, 8th A1 Pushpak. And I like to announce house championship for 2005 and 2006. Pushpak House. And I like to invite the captain, junior girl captain P. Anusha, daughter of P. Ramulu, 10th A2. For junior girls vice captain K. Manaswini, daughter of K. Rajendra Reddy, 9th A1. For junior boys, I like to invite the captain M. Hemant Reddy, son of M. Shekhar Reddy, 10th A1. For junior boys, vice captain S. Nareshwar, son of S. Lakshman, 9th A3. For chess championship for 2005 and 2006. In junior girls, K. Akila, daughter of K. Mohan Reddy, 9th A1. And for junior boys, L. Shashank Reddy, son of L. Madhusudan Reddy, 9th A1. For sub-junior girls, B. Chandana Karan, daughter of Deva Varma, 8th A2. For sub-junior girls, for sub-junior boy, K. Sai Bharadwaj, son of K. Srinivas of 8th A1. And chess championship for first to third class, C.H. Ramya, daughter of Kishaya, 3rd A2. And from 4th to 5th class, T. Srija, daughter of Gangadhar, 4th A4. And I like to the all-rounder sports boy of the school for the academic year 2005-2006 is Sri Chiranjeevi B. Sunil Kumar of 10th A3, son of Sri Gangaram. And I request Srimati Amrita, I request his parents to come out to the dais. Sunil. The all-rounder sports school for the academic year 2005 and 2006 is Kumari T. Anusha, 10th A1, daughter of Sri Ramulu. And I request Srimati Monica, parents to come over the dais. Thank you.
Excuse me for... I request the PT member, Mr. Nataraj Garu, to come on to the dais. Please, sir.
Next item, students selected for state level games and sports.
Thank you, sir.
Read by Shri Ganga Mohan, prize distribution by Shri L. Venkatram Reddy.
Good evening, everybody. Now I am announced the list of state level and national level players for 2005-2006. I requested L. Venkatram Reddy Garu to give away the prizes. First of all, state level prizes. MD Shehbaz, 9th A2, participated in Nalgonda cricket in association games. S. Nareshwar, 9th A3, participated in Nalgonda cricket in association games. S. Nageshwar, 10th A1, participated in Nizamabad baseball school games. B. Sunil Kumar, 10th A3, participated in Nizamabad baseball. Mohammad Shehbaz, 9th A2, participated in Nizamabad baseball. K. Akila, 9th A1, participated in Nizamabad baseball. A. Divya, 9th A3, participated in Nizamabad. Mohammad Shehbaz, 9th A2, selected for East Godavari basketball. K. Akila, 9th A1, selected for East Godavari basketball. Bahanna Umer, 8th A3, selected for West Godavari. S. Arshini, 8th A2, selected for West Godavari. G. Spandana, 8th A2, selected for West Godavari. Throwball. Zubair Khan, 9th A2, participated in Rajamandri. K. Vikram Reddy, 9th A3, participated in Nellore hockey. S. Nareshwar 9th-3 participated in Nellore. A. Rakesh 8th-3 selected for Chittoor hockey. S. Savina 8th-3 selected for Chittoor. D. Umarani 8th-3 selected for Chittoor. D. Ajay 7th-2 selected for Chittoor. D. Siddhivinayak 6th-4 selected for Chittoor. Maniraj 6th-1 selected for Chittoor. S. Sumalika 5th-2 selected for Chittoor. Football S. Vinay 8th-3 selected for Mahabubnagar. Now volleyball S. Harshini 8th-2 participated in Adilabad. S. Sumalika 5th-2 participated in Adilabad. G. Spandana 8th-2 participated in Adilabad. T. Pravalika 8th-2 participated in Adilabad. P. Kavita 8th-2 participated in Adilabad. S. Nareshwar 9th-2 participated in Adilabad. C. H. Pranvesh 7th-1 participated in Adilabad. S. Vinay Kumar 8th-3 participated in Adilabad. K. Akila 9th-1 participated in Adilabad. K. Sai Bharatwaj 8th-1 participated in Adilabad. K. Srinitin 8th-1 participated in Adilabad. O. Pratap 7th-1 participated in Adilabad. E. Suma 9th-1 selected for Vijayawada Rural Games. N. Yashwant participated in Adilabad. Syed Azharuddin 9th-3 participated in Adilabad. S. Harshini 8th-2 selected for Vijayawada Rural Games. G. Vijay Kumari 7th-2 participated in Srikakulam. G. Adilakshmi 6th-4 participated in Srikakulam. S. Harshini 8th-2 participated in Srikakulam. Chess competitions. R. Deepthi 9th-1 selected for Medak. C. H. Kirtana 9th-1. C. H. Manasa 7th-1. L. Kavya 7th-1. B. Rupa 7th-1. Sai Bharatwaj 8th-1. I am very proud to announce Kumari S. Harshini 7th-2 participated in national level mini volleyball held in Chennai. He won silver medal in the Silver Jubilee year 2004-2005. I requested her parents, Sri Devaya and Srimati Swarupa Rani, to come to the dais. Chiranjeevi B. Sunil Kumar 10th-3 participated in national level 6A side cricket held in Haryana. He got 4th place. I requested your parents Sri Mutyanna and Srimati Amruta to come on to the dais. Chiranjeevi S. Nageshwar 10th A1 participated in national level baseball school games federation held in Goa. I requested to his parents Sri Lakshman and Srimati Chinnani to come on to the dais.
Good evening, everybody. I request respected Kavita Madam and Anandivali Madam as my parents to come on to dais. They are unable to come, and I am very sorry for this. And I request respected Amrutata Madam also to come on to dais.
Kumari K. Akila 9th A1 participated in national level baseball school games federation held in Goa. I request our parents Sri Mohan Reddy and Srimati Lakshmi to come to the dais. She has gone to participated in Goa. Chiranjeevi K. Vikram Reddy 9th A3 selected for national level hockey school games federation going to be held at Chandigarh. I request his parents Sri Ganga Reddy and Srimati Gangamani to come to the dais. Thank you, sir.
Read by Viresh and given by Virendranath.
Good evening, everybody. I request Sri Endamuri Virendranath Garu to give away the merit prizes. Firstly, KSV Chandravesh, son of KS Divakar of LKG A1 stood first with 99.3%. B. Pooja, daughter of B. Mohan, stood second with 98.67. Krishna Meenan, son of M.B. Prasad of UKG A1 stood first with 99.7%. B. Manil, son of B. Naveen of UKG A1 stood second with 99.3%. Harish Agarwal, son of Naresh Kumar of UKG A2 stood first with 98.44%. Abdul Malik, son of Abdul Shabir of UKG A2 stood second with 92.7%. R. Mahita, daughter of Dr. R. Srinivas of First A1 stood first with 99.5%. K. Vaishnavi, daughter of K. Narahari of First A1 stood second with 97.93%. K. Manisha, daughter of K. Sudhakar of First A2 stood first with 96.42%. Meghana, daughter of Balraj of First A2 stood second with 90%. J. Maurevardhan, son of J. Lakshman of Second A1 stood first with 100%. P. Sai Kalyan, son of P. Ramana Rao of Second A1 stood second with 99.5%. M. Vipanchi, daughter of M. Shankar of 2nd A2 stood first with 97.13%. B. Hasmita, daughter of B. Chanakya, stood second with 95.35%. P. Venkat Ramani of 2nd A3 stood first with 84.68%. N. Ashray Reddy, son of N. Srinivas Reddy of 2nd A3 stood second with 79%. Shahnwaz, son of MD Jani of 3rd A1